Oh my goodness, it's time for the spring garden. It's a beautiful day outside. Spring weather is here. The sun is shining, the birds are chirping, a light breeze is blowing. It's time. It's time to get our hands in the dirt and plant something. As promised, I have a great, fun, easy-growing vegetable to start off with this week. Gardening does not have to be complicated. It can be pretty simple, and what better vegetable to start off with than radishes. Radishes are great in so many ways. They're a root vegetable, so you only see the green coming from the ground. Fun fact, radishes actually originated from ancient Egypt and Greece, and they have all kinds of health benefits such as potassium, calcium, vitamin C, and folate. Let's get to it. Let's get our hands in the ground and plant something. Radishes are a spring vegetable best by seed. I've ordered my seeds online, but you can usually find them at any kind of garden center, Lowe's, Home Depot, Walmart. So go ahead and get your seeds. First, I'm going to start by tilling this garden bed to aerate the soil and get some new soil from the bottom to come up to the top, and then I'll smooth it over. Here we go. I just have to show you all this soil up close because it's so amazing. I covered this with leaves throughout the winter, and this amazing soil was just resting beneath, and the nutrients from the leaves biodegraded and added some extra good stuff. My soil is ready. I have my seeds. Time to put them in the ground. I have them here, and they're pretty tiny. And what I'm going to do is stick them in the ground about a fingernail deep and about 1.5 inches apart so they have room to grow. There you have it. It's just that simple. Radishes are in the ground and they're ready to get growing. All that's left is for me to water them in. Radishes are such a great vegetable to start off with this spring. They're easy, simple, quick growing, and fun to watch them grow. So go ahead and start off with radishes this year. I think you'll enjoy seeing the quick results. We all need that sometimes. Once your radishes are ready, my favorite way to eat them is just to wash them, slice them into cubes, and put some salt on them. Oh, they're so good. Another great way is to just chop them up and put them on some salads. Thanks for tuning in, y'all. I hope you've learned something. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Subscribe to the channel for weekly updates. Next week, we're going to be planting a really healthy leafy green. So stay tuned. See you next week.